Love, love these clear glass vases with a spiral stand that I found at the thrift store. I got 2 of them. We are going to make a whimsical floral decoration for Easter using these cute vases and some Dollar Tree finds. Our first Dollar Tree decoration we're going to use are these super cute pink eggs that are picks for floral decorations. I also found at the Dollar Tree these irises that I will use in our whimsical floral bouquet decor. And the most fun Dollar Tree find is this Easter bunny headband. It's going to give the whimsical twist to our decor. I will also be using some scrap pieces of ribbon that I just kept around in case I had a project that I needed it, and here is that project. I will begin by cutting this headband in half. Yes, I am cutting the headband. Trimming the headband a little closer to the bunny. The floral cutters cut the plastic part of the headband, but I'm going to use the scissors to finish off cutting the fabric. Next, I'm going to take the irises and just separate the stems. Look how cute our whimsical bunny is going to look with the irises. Just playing around a little bit here, just seeing how I want to put these pieces together. I think I like this look, so now I'm going to use a zip tie or cable tie to hold this bunch of Dollar Tree finds together. Zip away. Just doing a little readjusting. Now to clip off the excess cable tie. What did you think about that? Turning on my hot glue gun, laying down some glue, then taking my scrap ribbon and wrapping it around the stems of this piece to hold it together and so it will look nice. Wrapping it with the scrap ribbon will just give it a more finished look. And since the vase is clear, it will look nice because I will be using some vase filler, as you will soon see, with this bouquet. Almost to the end. And to finish off at the very end. So we will take one of our whimsical thrift store vases. We will take our Easter bouquet that we just made, place it in the vase. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. Next, we're going to put the vase filler. I'm going to use this silver filler here. Next, we're going to pour the vase filler into the vase, almost to the top, but not quite. We will do the same for our other vase. I am going to put just a little bit more filler into the vases. Check out how cute these came out. I love them. They are so fun, unique, whimsical, colorful, definitely have an Easter vibe, that's for sure. I put them with this adorable fruit basket I transformed into a bunny basket I made for my coworkers.